Chapter 7, Worksheet 1, Part A, Question 1. Magnesium is a metal. Oxide is oxygen, which is a non-metal. So metal and non-metal means it's an ionic compound. Okay, if it's an ionic compound, we must refer to the ions to get the chemical formula. So if you refer to the periodic table, magnesium is in group 2, it will be Mg2+. Oxygen is in group 6, it will be O2-. So 2 plus and 2 minus, is it balanced? Yes. So we ignore the charges and we just write MgO. Question 2. Aluminium is the metal. Chloride comes from chlorine, which is the non-metal. Metal and non-metal means it's ionic. So if it's an ionic compound, we must check the ions. So aluminium from the periodic table, group 3, so you see it's 3 plus. Chlorine, group 7, so you see it's minus. So write down first Al 3 plus, Cl minus. C, is it balanced? It is not balanced and you need more chloride ion. So 1 more and 2 more. So altogether you have 3 minus and 3 plus. So now you write AlCl3. Question 3, lithium is the metal. Nitrate, you must remember, is the polyatomic ion. Oh no, so cold ne, the one you must memorize. So this is lithium is Li plus, nitrate is NO3 minus. So charges is balanced. So we just write LiNO and a small number 3 at the bottom. Now we look at part B. Question 1. Carbon is a non-metal. Oxide comes from oxygen, is also a non-metal. So non-metal and non-metal gives me covalent compound. Because it's covalent, there's no need to bother about the ions. Just look at the name. So if you look at the name, it's carbon monoxide. So mono tells us is 1. So carbon is C. Oxygen, there's only 1. So CO. Then we see the word ammonia. You cannot tell whether is it non-metal or metal. So you ask yourself, ammonia, is it one of the special cases that you have to memorize what the name stands for? So yes, ammonia is a special case you have to memorize, and ammonia is NH3. Last one, question 3, sulfur is a non-metal. Oxide comes from oxygen, is also a non-metal. So non-metal and non-metal means it's covalent. Covalent, don't bother about ions, just look at the name. So the name is sulfur trioxide. So sulfur is S, oxygen tri means O3.